In today's video, I will walk you through how to track economic events on investing.com. Keeping track of economic events is an important way to stay informed about announcements that may affect financial markets. Investing.com makes this simple by providing an economic calendar that lists upcoming events from countries around the world, along with their scheduled release times and other useful details. To begin, locate the economic calendar from the main navigation menu. Opening this section displays a calendar filled with economic events that are scheduled throughout the day and in the coming days. At the top of the calendar, you'll find filtering options that allow you to customize the events you want to see. You can filter by country to focus on a specific economy, or choose multiple countries if you want to monitor several regions at the same time. You can also filter events by importance. This allows you to display only high-impact events, medium-impact events, low-impact events, or a combination of all three. Adjusting these filters helps reduce unnecessary information and lets you concentrate on the announcements that matter most to your market interests. As you browse the calendar, each event includes several pieces of information. You'll typically see the scheduled release time, the country associated with the event name, the expected forecast, the previous result, and once available, the actual reported figure. You can also switch between different dates to review today's events, tomorrow's schedule, or events planned further into the future. This makes it easy to prepare for upcoming announcements instead of only following the current day's calendar. If you're monitoring several events throughout the trading week, revisit the economic calendar regularly. The calendar can also be used alongside other investing.com tools, such as market pages and live charts, making it easier to follow how major economic announcements relate to price movements across different financial markets. That's all there is to tracking economic events on investing.com.